Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hope you're good. Let's jump into this absolute critical news right now without further ado, because look, this is crazy. Wall Street moves on chain as tokenization of US stocks goes global. And I just want to get through this quickly for you guys. But look, major financial players like JP Morgan, Kraken, and Robinhood are tokenizing real assets from carbon credits to equities. Tokenized assets, often offered through offshore entities, allows for fractional ownership, instant settlement, and around the world clock trading. So this is pretty cool to see here. It says, despite momentum, regulators in the US and Europe have yet to clarify how tokenized securities fit into existing legal frameworks. Could we be seeing something crazy here? So reshaping market infrastructure through tokenization. You can literally see it here. Tokenization, the long buzzword of blockchain evangelists, has entered its next phase. While, ICOs and NFTs exist and dominated earlier narratives, the current wave of interest centers around tangible regulated assets, stocks, bonds, commodities, and now even CC. So pretty cool. You can see even the BlackRock CEO, Larry Fink, has wanted this to happen for a long time and said that, this should actually happen and everything should be tradable online like this, right? So yeah, what can we see from this so far? Bitcoin up to 109.4k. Brilliant. We're teasing all-time high. It might happen soon. Hopefully it does. You can see if we do break out again, guys, Bitcoin could do something absolutely insane. And this bull market is extended a little bit longer than I actually expected, but I do think the next targets are around about $125,000. If we check our 1.4 and 1.618 Fibonacci structure, it does give us a price target of 120, let's say 125,000 USD. So that would be sick if it happened. We'll be very, very excited. I think it is probably going to happen, actually, guys. Get ready for 125k. If you want that to happen, like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe. So yeah, 109.4k right now. Other things that are relevant happening right now, we've got the M2 money supply, pretty much at all-time high. We've also got the SPX 500. The SPX is also at an all-time high. S&P 500 here, looking super, super good. So what can we think? What can we say about this? Markets are booming. Things are going higher. How much further can it all go? It's always a big question that we ask ourselves. But we can see the blockchain market has rebounded back to $3.38 trillion, looking pretty good. Overall, very, very bullish on this narrative. We've got a neutral market. We've got ETH up. We've had a few other altcoins up as well recently. XRP is also on the rise, looking pretty good. And we're just waiting to see more out of this market and where can we possibly go. If the SPX goes up, can Bitcoin follow? Can Bitcoin follow M2? People usually realize that money is devaluing in this instance. People will sell equity, will, finance, they'll sell shares. They'll sell things to move into digital assets, being things like Bitcoin. So I think a lot of the legacy finance world is catching on to this now. They want a piece of the blockchain cake, especially in 2025. Also, guys, want to say, if you're new to trading or if you're not, at least check out over here, KSX Exchange. They've got some incredible sign-up bonuses for you guys that you can indeed enjoy. And, some of the benefits here, it's got the smallest fees in the space. You've also got no KYC, a great benefit. And also, in addition to this, globally accessible. Yes, you can trade anywhere you want in the world, and this is where I do a lot of my trading. You've got tons of different coin types here, as you can see, just going through, and a lovely, easy to use interface. So check it out whilst the deposit bonus is still live. You can get signed up in literally 7 seconds using my link down below. What else we've got? Crypto bubbles. We've got a great start for basically the whole entire blockchain space on the week. For some reason, the month is red here, but I think that could be more like 30-day period. But in general, the week has started seriously good. July has been seriously good, and the last 24 hours has also been very, very nice. I also want to dish this one out to you guys. If you want to become a patron, thank you to all the existing patrons. But if you do want to maximize your time in this market and grow even more, hit those big goals of yours with your, crypto goals, if you want to call it that. You can just see in here, looking at some of the recent trades, the traders are making some incredible wins, and sometimes I'm just blown away to see these great wins. It's part of my Discord, so my Discord is down below within the description and comments box, or whatever you want to call it. It is completely free to join the Discord. So Jacob's Crypto Clan is what it's called. We've got 39,000 members, and I suppose you can also, if you wanted to, become a patron on the side. You're going to get exposure to trade signals, early alphas, ICOs, whitelistings. You're going to get leverage trade signals, spot trading signals, and also free access to our new indicator, which is Trend Wave. I can quickly show you that right now on the charts, how it looks. If I just flip to another coin very quickly, what should we click on? Maybe Brett will do. So Brett meme coin over here. We've got the trend wave indicator right here. So basically it gives you a myriad of sell, buy signals, when to buy, when to close the position, when to take profits partially. Could be worth you guys checking this one out, as it's been doing absolutely amazing at the moment. There you can see it with the waves here, trend wave. Also guys, before we go, another coin that could be worth checking out, since tokenizing assets is huge now, we've got token 6900, which is an alternative to SPX 6900. They've got one more coin than the SPX 6900 token, and we can see here they've got a 5 million USD hard cap. The start price for this coin is 0.0064. The end price is 0.007125. You can connect your wallet, and all you've got to do is connect something like MetaMask, Wallet, or Best Wallet. And once you've done that, you can convert these, either Ethereum or Tether directly into your desired amount of these tokens here. So the token price is 0.006425. Looks seriously cool. I think it's nice. And the coin is token 6900. So not financial advice, don't risk more than you can afford to lose, but this is a very early phase and the price is going up. You can see their listing price is around about 15% higher than their current buy-in price. They've also got some fantastic tokenomics, which is always worth checking out here. You can see one more coin than SPX 6900. They've got a small supply of 930 million tokens, and the dev keeps 6,900 tokens, which are locked for 5 years. Pretty cool token if I don't say so myself. So that's about a wrap, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you think Bitcoin will get to an all-time high soon, like, share, subscribe, help us get to 60k subs. And yeah, thank you again for being here. Have a wonderful evening, guys. Gaze over JCB Crypto Clan. Like, if you want to hang out, if you want to make jokes, if you want to have a laugh, here's the general chat where people just hang out, having a chat, just sharing ideas. And yeah, I mean this chat's always a bit informal, but we have got the VIP chat too, which you can access by becoming a patron, and things become a bit more, formal, shall I say, where things get a bit more serious. Anyway, see you soon. Have a great evening, guys. Peace.